Welcome to the Adventurous, a catamaran sailing vessel out of Coronado, California, and we're going to take you today on a tour from the island to the bay. Let's get started. San Diego is one of the premier destinations in the US, and we're going to take you right under that famous Coronado Bridge. San Diego Bay offers a place for everyone. There are many commercial, private, as well as naval vessels in these waters. This bridge takes you from San Diego all the way to Coronado Island, where the crown jewel is the Hotel del Coronado. Oh yes, and San Diego is the one place I've seen more helicopters than in Vegas. Off in the distance, you see the USS Midway. That's the aircraft carrier that missed World War II by 2 weeks. It's now a floating museum, and I highly recommend you go there with your family. We had a rare treat. We got to see not one, not two, but 3 active nuclear aircraft carriers docked in the bay. You can see why this bay is one of the many reasons why San Diego is such a popular destination. Thanks for joining me on this little cruise of the bay. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button and we will check you on the next video.